friends, Miss Drews with your phonics warm up this week. So this week we're looking at some chunks that say or. So these are really good, especially when you are reading. Now when I tap out a word and I'm writing it, because we know phonics helps us in reading and writing, and we know that helps us in anything that we do, science, math, whatever. Okay. But when we're tapping out, a lot of times when I hear an or, I'm gonna probably put like the small word, which is right here on our card, OR, okay? Because most of the time that is the one that's used. Now, as I get to be, and as you get to be a better speller, and you've read a lot more, then you're going to know which or falls into the right place. So this is kind of one of those chunks this week. We're about to go over some chunks that probably when I'm tapping out, I'm going to use OR. Okay, but we're going to use a lot of these others as readers too. So we want to kind of start looking for them when we get stuck on words, because I mean, we've all gotten stuck on words, me included. Okay, and I read every day. All right, which is lots of days in my life, but we won't go there. So we know that these are going to help us as readers as well. Okay, so like on here, we've got corn. See, there's the OR right there, corn. Okay, so we know that that little chunk and that little word, by the way, is or. But also OAR is going to say or in words. That's actually a word right there, or you row in a boat, an oar. Okay. And there it is again, or the short word, and then ORE. So sometimes there is a ninja E, jumps over and tells the O to say its name. But if I'm reading a word and that doesn't work, okay, which is it's gonna pop up in your words today. Okay, if it doesn't work, then maybe it's saying or. Okay, maybe that's kind of a no job E, and this is saying or. Okay, so be on the lookout for some of these new, especially this one and this one as you're reading. Okay, so today what we're going to do is we're going to do a couple examples. We're going to do an example together, one. Okay, and then you're going to be able to do yours as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to have a green word in a box, and then you're going to have a red box, and you're going to have some space. Yours is going to look different. I'll show you in a moment. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to look to see where's the spelling pattern and mark it. Okay. Then of course read it. And you can either decide to do a drawing to show me and your teachers that you've read it, or you can do a sentence in the red box. Okay. Or bonus, you can do both and learn some more. Okay. So I'm going to do both on this one to show you. Okay. So I'm going to go over here to drawing tools in Cami, and I'm going to pick a different color than the green because, well, green's already there. All right. If I want to mark it a different way, I can. Okay. But I'm going to go mark the or that I see. Okay. And again, I can come to the slide and kind of remind myself, but there it is right there. OR says or. Okay. By the way, there's an H brother too. Okay. So I've got thorn. Okay. So what I can do is I can come over here and I can draw a picture in my white spot. Okay. Right. There's the thorn. And I can spend some time and finish my nice rose or whatever, my nice flower. Beautiful, right? All right. So there is the thorn right there. Okay. So I can show my teacher by a drawing or text box. Couldn't find it. Okay. I can write it into a sentence here. Okay. The thorn poked me. Poked me. Ouch. Right. Okay. So either way or both ways, you're going to show your teachers. Okay. So down on yours, here's how yours is going to look. It's going to look a little bit different. Move my head out of the way. All right. You've got a word here in green. Again, if you need to, scroll back and see what are those chunks that might be there. Okay. And then mark it up, read it, of course, and then draw a picture here or type a sentence here using that word or doing both. And then same thing here. You're going to read it, draw it, write it in a sentence, and then last here as well. You got two more. Okay. And then, I need to take that off. All right. So that is it, my friends, and I will see you next time.